Okay, in this step, I want to explain a simple problem in multiplayer AR. The difference between the multiplayer in PC or VR or mobile games with the AR is the referencing of position 000 of the 3D space. For example, right now we create an empty object, and 000, it means here, only that. You can imagine this blue one is computer 1 in the multiplayer, and this blue area is user 2 and computer 2, and they have a connection with multiplayer online. Here is location A and here is location B, but 000 in this blue area is, for example, this red cube, and 000 for this user 2 is this red cube. It doesn't matter what is the platform. Maybe the user 1 is PC and user 2 is Android, or Oculus Quest, or another platform. But in AR, the problem is exactly here. 000 in AR for this user is different than 000 of positioning for user 2. For example, in user A1 and user 2, if both of these users using the PC platform, if I move the user 1, the black man, you can see the exact movement in user 2 view. I'm moving the user 1, and user 1 moves exactly the same with the real one for user 2, and also it is the same for user 2. If I move it of the character of user 2, it is the same with user 1 view, the movement of user 2 character. But the problem will appear when the referencing of these characters will be different. For example, in the AR system, it will be like this. The user 1 for user 2 view appears in here. User 1 in the his computer or his platform try to be closer to the red cube, but in the user 2 view it is not, because the referencing system of user 2 is different than the referencing system with user 1. And also it is the same if the user 2 is different, something like this or like this. The problem appears when the referencing system will be different. It will be the different result for movement of character in another device. So how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem if our positioning system does not relate to the 000 of Unity. We can simulate a positioning system for our AR system. It means the common face between two users are cubes, red cube and red cube. Red cube in this user is exactly middle of this blue area, and red cube in this user, it is the same, exactly middle of the blue area. So we need to create a system to relating the positioning of character 1 or character 2 related to the red cube, the distance between red cube, or position related to the red cube, not 000 of Unity. With this method, if the user 2 show the 3D model of cube exactly in this area, it doesn't matter where is the user 1. The user 1 distance between this cube is important, and the user 2 can see the user 1 exactly at that position he is right now. Let's go to the next step to explain more about the positioning related to the red cube.